I'm asking you, especially our young people, now I'm pleading with you, please stop with this trading stuff. All over the social networks, people get lured into these social groups to do trading. And often it's false advertising. Stop with that stuff. Because in the end, you will not make money. The only people who's going to make money are the people who is advertising these things. En dan kom hulle nog en sê, jy kan trade in Afrikaans. Wat se nonsens is dit? Of jy trade in Afrikaans en of jy trade in Zulu of in Engels, dit bly dieselfde ding. Jy is meer werd as dit, man. You are much more worth than that. Rather do this instead. Number one, decide, I'm not going to cut corners. I'm not going to do this gambling stuff. I'll rather do a long-term wealth building process. Number two, draw yourself a plan with a long-term, medium-term, and also a short-term outlook on your plan. Number three, talk to somebody who knows what they are doing, somebody who's licensed, somebody who cares about you and don't only want to make money off you. And in the last place, find a steady job with a decent income where you can feed your plan. Patience is the biggest friend of the investor. Rather make patience your friend, build wealth slowly, and in the end, you will be successful. Happy investing.